Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, there's no position that this guy will occupy within the Nigerian space that you would not look at him and think that he's a clown. So no matter how high and mighty they make him look, he still comes across a bit clownish because he latches from one sort of comical debacle to the other. Who am I talking about? I'm talking about, of course, Festus Keyamo. So with that guys, I bring you this. Keyamo on photo with suspect on FBI list. We are childhood friends. So that's the headline. Keyamo on photo with suspect on FBI list. We are childhood friends. So that's the headline. Now let's get into exactly what Festus has to say this time round. Minister of State for Niger Delta Affairs Festus Keyamo's son has refuted allegations of being involved in fraudulent activities with a suspected internet scammer Jerry Okigbo, one of the 78 Nigerians indicted in the massive financial fraud case uncovered by the American agency, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI. A photo surfaced on Sunday that had both the minister and the suspect smiling. Keyamo agreed to knowing Ikigbo, but quickly pointed out that they were only childhood friends. His words, "He's my childhood friend. We were born in the same town, Ugeli. We attended the same church from birth. His parents and mine are best of friends. Till tomorrow, his siblings and mine too. Only left for the US about 10-12 years ago. Can't deny him, it's a family relationship from birth. He's from a decent family. Hope they got their facts right. The wife has just sent me the charge." That's the charges, of course, leveled against this guy. The authorities clearly stated that he may not have known of the fraudulent scheme, but he helped one or two of them to transfer funds illegally for a fee, and he didn't declare excess money at the airport. Wish him well. In fact, that picture is even at the burial of the father of the guy on the far right about 8 years ago. The guy is in the same childhood group like all of us. Likewise, the guy to the far left, a lawyer who died at the National Hospital here in Abuja about 5 years ago. EFCC has placed a red alert on suspects nationwide. Meanwhile, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission has placed a red alert on the 77 Nigerian suspects on the FBI list. So there you have it now. The FBI 77 or 78 are effectively Festus Keyamo's friends. At least one of them is his best friend. He's trying to distance the guy, saying he's just my childhood friend. I mean, who is more your friend than your childhood friend? Somebody that you've been friends with, you went to the same school, you were born in the same town, your parents are best of friends, you know his wife, and you are saying he's just your childhood friend. What sort of just is that? Don't just know just, Mr. Senior Advocate of Nigeria. So now this is this guy again. You will remember him, of course, from the Charlie Boy Yawa, where Charlie Boy said that guy Festus Keyamo gave him in excess of 100 million naira during the elections. So he had all of that. And this is the guy that is always bombasting on the news and making all this highfalutin noise and brimming and bouncing and jumping up and down. So how are the mighty falling now? 419, Mr. Senior Advocate of Nigeria. I mean, look at the dichotomies, that the two opposing sides of the spectrum. So somebody is a Senior Advocate of Nigeria and his best pally is on the FBI's most wanted list. Can you now see? It's like two opposite sides of a coin, isn't it? So how Keyamo now gets himself out of this one, it remains to be seen. But then, of course, in Nigeria, everything goes and anything goes. Conversations in the comment section. Festus Keyamo and his 419 Pali is the subject of discussion for this particular video. Come tell me what your thoughts are. But before you come share those thoughts with me, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then let me know what you're making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.